All right, we are going to cut this wonderful, sweet, mild red onion right here, super nutritious, and we are going to cut it for every day, every night home cooking. This is not a presentation or a plating course. This is about getting dinner on the table on a weeknight without cutting your fingers and with a delicious onion in whatever dish you are preparing. Okay, so we are going to start by cutting off the root part. Here I have my chef's knife. I'm holding it like this. I just cut off the roots, which for some people makes it less likely to cry a lot. And then I am going to cut the onion in half from the top. Now I have two nice halves to work from. I will remove this. Now I will take the papery skin off, again really quickly. Now the onion has ridges here, lines that are already in there. This part is still attached, so the onion layers will hold together. I am going to use my knife, protecting my fingers, to cut along most of those ridges. Not all of them, but most of them, to make a small-ish dice here. Not big chunks, but not a tiny dice either. So again, following the natural ridges of the onion. I know some chefs say you have to make horizontal cuts like that, but you know what? Onions come naturally layered, so I don't personally feel the need to do that. I will just proceed to put my hand as a claw like this. The tip of my knife stays on the cutting board, and here I go. I'm holding with my pinky and my thumb the layers of the onion together, keeping again my fingers away from the blade, and then I have this chunk left at the end. I will just quickly chop it, and there's nothing much left here, and I have this perfectly fine and usable onion dice. Now let's repeat for those in the back. Again, remove the outer layer that's papery, not enjoyable to eat at all. Okay, again, cutting along the ridges here while protecting your fingers and guiding the knife. It's okay if I miss a couple, but I'm really just following the natural guidance that the onion has given me. Now I'm holding between my pinky and my thumb. I'm holding the layers together and forming a claw with my upper fingers. Tip of the knife on the cutting board. The outer layer here is not very nice, so it's starting to fall apart. I will remove it. Here we go, and I still have a lot of nice onion. Don't want to waste this, and then chop, 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 chop. All done. Lovely red onion, delicious, nutritious, especially sweet if you cut it for a little while. Okay, this is how we cut the onion. Now let me set this aside.